Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete a Facebook account on mobile. To start the process, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Then tap on Menu on your top right corner. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Settings. Here, tap on See More in Account Center. Then tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on your username. Now select the option of Delete Account. Then tap on Continue. Select the reason why you are deleting your account. Then tap on Continue. Here, tap on Continue. Scroll down and again tap on Continue. Now enter your password. After that, tap on Continue. Here, tap on Delete Account. This is how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.